Good night. My name is John Chigosuke. Next, I present the purchase process activity presentation. List of activity after purchase meeting. 1. Change the maintenance to supplier. I am going to receive a new supplier the maintenance tools. It's necessary verify delivery times and price. 2. Make the order of material for the new project. I will prepare the list of materials for the new project for priority approval. This project is planning to start in September and the materials have to arrive before. 3. Confirm the arrival date of the import from Japan. I'm going to call the Japanese supplier next week to know the exact arrival date of the merchandise, confirming why the custom agents that the documents are in order. 4. Audit the inventory of the warehouse 1. Due to difference found in the warehouse 1, I will conduct an audit on Friday. The supervisor, one of his duties in the warranty truthful information. The company has insurance for the large amount of merchandise that is stored. 5. Negotiate new payment terms with the fourth supplier. They are good and prepared for, but I will have doubted them that the company is making changes in the payment conditions of the contract. I hope that this new condition is accepted by the supplier. 6. The company needs to train staff in logistics. We are going to schedule the group of workers to start in October with the logistic training. 7. Review inventory of cardboard box to define the new order. Reviewing the inventory will define that we are not going to make a new order of cardboard box. 8. The audit they are going to do in the warehouse needs all the documents in order. We will review and the document in the warehouse 1 week before the audit is done. 9. Check with the advertising provider the delivery of the catalog for next week. The supplier will complete the printing of all the catalogs in 2 weeks. 10. The supplier moves into the merchandise before loading and the 4. The insurance will be valid until the moment of receiving the merchandise. Thank you.